It's Deborah, Queen Bee Studio, and I'm here today to share with you my altered paper bag. This is my video response to Bonnie here on YouTube for her lace challenge. What I did was pulled out my laces, started layering them on a piece of felt. So it's actually the felt that's I played with and then adhered the felt to the bag because I thought it might be an easier way to do it. Now, unfortunately, I can't tell you where the laces came from because they actually came from a goodie bag that I picked up at Goodwill. So most of them I have no idea, with the exception of the tulle at the bottom and the rose trim. Those came from Hobby Lobby a while back. So after I got my laces put down, I thought, well, gee, I think an image would look pretty in there. So I went to Graphics Fairy. I found an image that I liked. It was a little bit too big and I had to resize it, so I pulled it through Photoshop and I thought, gee, wouldn't it be fun to just print it on the printer, but on fabric rather than on paper. So keeping within the theme of things, she's actually on a piece of fabric, and I thought it was kind of a cool idea. My two flowers in each corner I actually made from some trim. I just twirled and whirled till I got the shape of a flower and then added the little pieces of pearl to the centers. And then I cut up my rose trim and placed them individually. There's a little feather back here. What I did though to this rose trim was to add the little pearls in the center. I forgot to mention that. And I made a little stick pin with a little crystal in there and a pearl. If you're hearing noise, it's my puppies wandering around me, so bear with me because they're very distracting, especially when it's 5 o'clock at night and they're looking for food. This was probably a bad time to do a video, but at any rate, okay, so I added some flat back pearls to the top of the first bag, and I also added some of this braided trim, which I believe I got from Joann's a long time ago. There was a Joann's near us that was closing, and I bought lots of trim and anything I could get my hands on. I made the double bow, and I'll put the link to that tutorial below. And then I added some cream colored rose trim because I thought it would kind of offset so much white, and again added little pearls to the center. On the back side, I did basically the same process. I added the lace to the felt, and then I used the 3-row rose trim, and I actually added the little pearls to the centers of each rose just to give it a little jazz. And down here, I'll zoom in, hang on just a second. There we go. I actually embroidered this piece on my embroidery machine. So it's just a little lace applique in the shape of a heart, but I thought it was kind of sweet, so I included that. And then for my card, instead of making an actual card, I decided to use another paper bag. So this is a smaller paper bag. On the front I used my flat back pearls and another piece of the applique that I made for this project on my machine. I think it's kind of pretty. Somebody saw it and told me they thought it looked like a frog. But anyway, I think it's pretty. And on the inside I left it plain so I can write a note, and I think the coolest thing is that I can tuck some goodies in here too. And that's pretty much about it. I really can't think of anything more other than I really had a lot of fun doing this, Bonnie, and I thank you so much. And I'm going to be in touch with you. I'll PM you and get your address because it's going to come to you full of goodies. Thanks so much, you guys. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. Have a great day.